Hi students, now we are going to discuss about a chapter 11 mensuration topic, exercise 11.3. Already some part we completed, remaining questions we are going to discuss in there. In that question they says about a yes, cylindrical closed tank, cylinder shape tank is the cylinder shape tank. Then radius of this tank, radius means a center to any point on a circle, we call it as a radius, 7 meter. Height of the tank is given as 3 meter. Question asking how much meter sheet required for this closed tank, cylindrical tank, for making a closed cylindrical tank, how much sheet, metal sheet required for preparing. So what we want to do, find out the full closed cylinder. Closed means top also consider, bottom also consider, and curved part, total entire part will consider. In this cylinder shape, entire part will consider in there, entire part will consider. So which area we want to find out, a TSA or a CSA? Here we want to consider a TSA of the cylinder. Then first, what are the hint given? That one, right? Radius is given. So first we start with the radius. How much is 7 meter? Then next, height of the cylinder is given. Height is how much? 3 meter is given. Then TSA, total surface area of that cylindrical tank, find out. Cylindrical tank. Cylindrical tank is equal to TSA, find the formula, 2 pi r into H plus R is the formula. Using this formula, value substitute and come 2 into pi place 22 by 7. Radius is how much? 7 meter. Then open the bracket, bracket inside H. H means height. Height is how much? 3 meter is the height. And radius represent has how much? 7. 7 cancelled. 2 into 22 become how much? 44. Then 3 plus 7 comes to be how much? 10. So 44 into 10 comes to be how much? 440. Your unit to become here radius and height given as a meter. That's why area represent as a square meter. I hope you can understand this question and how to find out how much area. Therefore, we can say how much metal sheet we required for making this cylindrical tank, 440 meter square area required for the metal sheet required for making this closed cylindrical tank. Then next question. Next question they says about next question they says that lateral surface area means LSA. LSA of a cylinder is given. LSA of the cylinder directly they given 4224 centimeter square. Then this part is square. Then along the height, this is the height of the cylinder. This is cylinder shape. Height of the cylinder, through height of the cylinder, it cutting then we get a which shape? One rectangular shape paper will get it. Through along the height, this part cutting time we get a rectangular shape will get in there. In rectangle shape, width is given. Width means breadth. Breadth is given as 33 centimeter. Width is given. A question they ask find the perimeter of rectangular sheet. This rectangular sheet perimeter find out. That is the question. In this question they says that LSA of the cylinder. LSA means this part, lateral surface. This curved part we call it as a lateral surface. That part area they directly given as a 2 pi. Here 4224 is the answer. What is the formula for finding LSA of a cylinder? LSA of a cylinder formula is 2 pi RH is the formula. That value is directly given. Then next what they given that here that through along the rectangle this cylinder from the height to part it cutting from the height to part and we get which shape? A rectangular shape. In that rectangular shape breadth, width means another name for breadth. Width is given as 33 centimeter. Find out the length getting after find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. So what we can write? Area of rectangular sheet is equal to LSA of a cylinder. That is equal to the LSA. Why? Because this curved part only we cutting and opening time we get a rectangular shape. Area of a rectangle, what is the formula? Length into breadth is due. That value is given. LSA of cylinder is given 4224. From a length we don't know, but breadth of the rectangle is given. How much? 33. So we place 33, substitute L value, find out. So right side 4224 is the L value, find 4224 multiplied 33 goes to opposite side, comes to be denominator. 11 table 33 means which table possible? 11 3s are 33. Then check it. 4224 is it possible to divide with 11? 11 3s are 33. Subtract 12 minus 3 comes to be here 9 will coming. The next place number write down 2. Again 92 not there. 8 times 88 is coming. The 12 minus 8 4. Next number bring down 44. 11 table 11 4s are 44. So cancelling the how much will come in? 384 will come. Again, is it possible or not? Yes, it is possible to cancel. How much? 3 table 3 1 time. 3 table 3 cancel in time 1. 3 table 8 means 2 times 6. So 8 minus 6 subtraction 2 in time 2. Next place number bring down 24. 3 table 24. How many times 8? So what is the length value? 128. Unit to become centimeter is the unit. Length we get 128. Breadth already it have a breadth is 33. It is given. Using this length and breadth, what they ask you to find out? Find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet. This rectangular sheet perimeter means here bound perimeter represent as a distance around the boundary part. What is the formula for find the perimeter of a rectangle? 2 into L plus B is the formula. That formula apply and just find out the perimeter of that paper. So we can write perimeter of next step. Therefore perimeter of rectangular sheet is equal to rectangular sheet is equal to formula is 2 into L plus B. So answer become 2 into length. How much we have? 120. Plus the breadth is how much? It is given in question 33. Just inside bracket add multiplied with outside 2. Adding to 8 plus 3 comes to be 11. Remainder 1, 5, 6. So 161. Multiply. 2 into 1, 2, 2, 6 are 12. Remainder 1, 2. So how much will coming there? Perimeter become 322 centimeter is the perimeter of this rectangular sheet. That is the meaning of this question. The next question. I hope you can understand this question. Next, third question. Here, third question. they says that a road roller, you know, road roller, here wheel of the road roller is in which shape? It is in shape of a spear shape. Remember, road roller, wheel of the road roller is in shape of a cylinder shape. Rod roller diameter is given. Diameter means in circle shape, center to any 2 point on a circle joined by a straight line. We call it as a diameter. Diameter is given as a 84. Then next, what they given there? 84 centimeter is the diameter. Length of this rod roller, length is given. That means the height of the roller given as 1 meter. And this rod roller, how many times rotate means 750 times it revolve. It rotate in this way, rotate, revolve. So, what is the area of the ground? That ground area asking there. Ground were leveling that time, ground area they ask to find out. So, what we want to do, see, roller were rotate in time, which part only touching the ground, curved part only touching the ground, curved part only touching the ground, curved part. In this way, rotating time, revolving time, curved part only rotating. That's why what we want to find, see which area we want to find, CSA or TSA. CSA, curved part only touching this part, two parts, this circle and this part not touching. That's why curved surface area, CSA of the cylinder, formula apply, that is equal to the one rotation of the wheel. Such type, how many times it rotating? 750 times it rotating and reach the ground. This is initial point, means from the starting point to last point it rotate and rotate. How many times? 750 times. So one time rotation, find out, that is multiplied with the 750, that is equal to the area of the ground level, leveling the ground, area of the ground will get it. So we start that only, starting the diameter is given there, diameter. How much diameter of the roller is 84 centimeter. Radius of convert it to radius. Why we convert it to radius? Our formula are in a radius only, not diameter. Radius means a relation between radius and diameter. Radius is the half of the diameter. Half of 84 comes to be 42 is the half, 42 centimeter. But here one problem, height is given as in a meter. And that's why they asking me ground level, also they asking meter only. So that's why this centimeter answer converted to meter. How to convert centimeter to meter? Divided with 100. Why? Because 1 meter containing 100 centimeter or 1 centimeter containing how much meter asking there? 1 by 100. That's why 42 is divided with 100 meter. Divide or fraction wise right hand leave. Then next you find out CSA of roller. That is equal to CSA of roller is equal to how to find out a roller is in which shape? Cylinder shape. So what is the formula for finding CSA of a cylinder? Formula is 2 pi RH. Here H value also, that also right. H height is how much given? Height also 1 meter. The values 2 into pi place 22 by 7. R value represent as 42 by 100 into H value represent as 1. 7 and 42 6 times. Then 2 and 100 50 times. Again 2 table 22 11 times. 2 table 50 25 times. Then 11 into 6 65 by 25. divide or later you can divide. Anyhow, up to there, this much. What is the unit meter square is the CSA 66 by 25 meter square is the CSA of one roller. In which way? One round rotation. Such type, how many times it rotating? 750. Then you can write it as area leveled by the roller in 750 revolution. In 750 revolution is equal to area of the ground. So one round how much? 66 by 25 into how many times it rotating? 750. 5 table use, 5 table 25, 5 times, 5 table 75 because how many times? 15 times, but 1 0 is the. Again 5 table 5 one time, 150 means 30 time. Then 30 into 66 or 66 into 3, first you multiply, 3 6 are 18. 19. So answer become how much? 198. 10 is the. So 1980 meter square is the. So our ground area become how much? 1980. That means for leveling roller how many times rotating? 750 times rotate. That is equal to the area of the ground. So area of ground become how much? 1980 meter square. Area represent as square unit. So meter square is the answer. I hope you can understand this question. Then next question. Next fourth question, they says that another cylinder shape. Fourth question, cylinder shape. One tin is there, in a powder tin, milk powder tin. Then total height of the cylinder is given as 20 centimeter is the total height. Then diameter is given, total diameter is given 14 centimeter is the height. Then after that, what they say means total height of this tin is 20 centimeter. Different height tin are available. We know that different tins are available. This tin total height given as 20 centimeter. Diameter of the cylinder given as tin is given as 14 centimeter. What they asking means the company decided to paste the here label. Their company name label, they decided to paste it on this tin. In which way means from top 2 centimeter down, from bottom 2 centimeter. That means this 2 centimeter leaving, and they are pasting that. Pasting a label powder there. They are the company name. They are milk powder. They are pasting. Where to paste? Between top, from the total height, from top 2 centimeter leaving and bottom part 2 centimeter leave, and the middle part they pasted that label or company name label are pasting. Question asking what is the CSA of this cylinder? Labeling part area asking. How to find out? First total height is given. Total height is how much there? Total height of the cylinder tin is given as 20 centimeter. But labeling time, where they are labeling 2 centimeter top reduce and 2 centimeter bottom part reduce. So height to become height. At that height of the CSA part equal, total height is subtracting with here 2 centimeter reduce, bottom part also 2 centimeter. So 2 plus 2 comes to be how much? 4 centimeter reduce. So 20 minus 4 comes to be how much? Height to become 16. Don't take 20, 16 centimeter only consider. Then curved, where they labeling labeling on the curved part of the cylindrical tin. So we want to find out the CSA of the tin. CSA of cylindrical tin we want to find out. Cylindrical tin. How to find? What is the formula? 2 pi RH is the formula. Then a radius. How to find out? Radius is given as diameter is given. Diameter is 14 centimeter. Convert it to radius means half of 14 comes to be half of diameter comes to be radius. So it will become how much? 7. So values we substituting a 2 into pi place 22 by 7. Radius now we have 7. Height how much only? Not 20. 16 only. Why? Because top and bottom 2 centimeter. Reduced and a label were putting on the curved part. 7 cancel. 2 into 22. 44. 44 into 16 multiplied. So 44 is multiplied with the 60. 6 fours are how much? 24 2. Then 24 plus 2 26. 4 adding here 10. For 7. So how much will come in curved for CSA of a cylindrical tin? 704 unit given as centimeter, area represent as centimeter square. 704 centimeter square is the answer. I hope you can understand this exercise. Next exercise we can discuss on next class. Thank you.